Right, good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Okay, Matt, Charles, Bassam, Mike, Gino, Yanette, Mark, Chad, Elaine, Jordan. What's up, guys? Hope you guys doing good. Let's get this day started. On GJ, that is, gold is looking like dog water at the moment, literally just moving sideways. So for me personally, until gold breaks out of this major range, I won't be trading gold. The range being the current supply as well as the current 4-hour demand. We can clearly see we're in a range. That's a range I don't want to trade in. So I will wait until we are outside of that range. So like that, and then guys, as simple as once you're outside of the range, then I'll get involved. But at the moment, while we are still within this consolidation at all-time highs, I think it's safer for me to step back, allow market to give a better setup and something to meet my criteria, and then get involved with that. Now regarding GJ is a whole different story. GJ is looking absolutely stunning. If you were on that New York tradable areas yesterday, you would have seen the setup on GJ. She played out beautifully for that reversal, and now I actually think that she's going to break highs. Check this out. So on GJ at the moment, you're trading above the level 192,500, currently tapping into a major daily as well as weekly resistance point. Okay? Current daily is trading higher high than yesterday, as well as the previous, let's say, actually all the previous candles is making high lows. Do you guys see that? Excuse me. So as you approach, So as you approach this resistance, very important to know how these candles are forming. At the moment, you are closing higher lows, which is showing me that there is momentum amongst the buyers, and that is what I actually want to take into consideration today. So first and foremost, I want to mark in the current daily high as well as the current supply on my 4 and daily. So let's get current daily out. I'm not too phased with the current daily low, to be very honest with you. That's right at the core, but more so interested to see if price can break these highs, because if it can break these highs, it's going to be absolutely stunning. So let's go back to the daily, and I just want to show you where that daily is going to flip, because the daily is still bearish, ladies and gentlemen, which means that off of this major liquidity we can start to see rejection, right? So that is something I need to take into consideration, as I am obviously looking at the pair. Now popping down to my 4 hour, just like gold, I also have a consolidation zone, which is the current supply area. As you can see over there, these highs, we can see that, right? And I'm gonna actually mark that like this. And then that current demand level like that. And your little micro 4-hour level there as well. And that's probably going to be my only 3 zones today on GJ. Now to just tweak them tighter. Yeah. Ooh. Apologies. So the next zone I'm going to add in is going to be this level there. Why I'm adding in these micro levels is definitely because we are bearish. That's one thing I need to understand. Overall, we are bearish. So coming back to the 4-hour. Yeah, the 4 hours bearish as well. 4 hours only going to flip. Oopsie. Guys, the 4-hour only flips there. So we overall bearish on GJ. The only bullish structure is the 30. Which means if I buy, I'm going to be using my 30-minute structure as my initiator. However, if this 4-hour is grabbing liquidity to flip back bearish, I might actually look for aggressive sells because you've got another micro range there. Do you see that? High to low. So if this 4-hour flips, I'm going to anticipate she can sell off like that. Okay? And then it might also just be the start to the flip of this structure going back down. Okay? So that is something I need to pay attention to right now. How this 4-hour candle actually goes is very important. How do I get involved in these setups? That's the question. I need to wait for a confirmation candle beneath this level. Like that. Obviously it's going to be a gray candle. You know what I'm trying to do. Grab liquidity and start flipping down and driving to that quarter pip level. This is going to be about a 30 pip range if it sells off. If it continues this bullish leg, it's as simple as the current 30, because the 15 won't be enough because we are so far away. The current 30 closing above the level like that. Okay. Oopsie. Popping in to grab liquidity and then start driving. Okay, that's what we're looking at as a type 4, because the 30-minute is bullish, and a type 3 if it flips bearish. I just want to see the left-hand side. I just want to mark out rejection areas on the left on the 30. Just to see where we're going to actually target. And then bring it to where price is now. Okay, that's perfect. That's fine by me. Where I'm looking to take the trades is in clean LTAs. We're going to be past those resistance points. Okay. So this is simply what I'm going to wait for right now. And it's going to be as follow. Type 4 closures above the level will be my aggressive buys, because the majority, it's a 3v1, so the majority of it is bearish. Aggressive buys as a type 4. Okay, and that's pretty much what I'm looking at today, guys. And then over here we got aggressive sells, obviously as your type 3. Which will come there. This at the moment is going to be that no trade range. Right there. And we'll look to see if we can run it to 195. Okay, guys, this will be my breakdown on GJ. I really like the setup whether it buys or sells. There's confluences on both sides. So whichever way it sets up, I'm happy with that. I'm comfortable with that. Personally, I would prefer if it buys up today. Because they're going to be breaking the highs and it should give us a more of a momentum carrier as you are going to be breaking out of that liquidity zone with your daily candles printing higher lows. I like it. Okay. For also breaking that resistance point. Wick filling on the left hand side and then breaking the highs should also give us the momentum to drive. That's going to be hourly engulfing, 30 engulfing, as well as a 15 engulfing as well. Yes, that is what I'm looking at today. Drop a W in the chat if you understand. If you don't, let me know. Like I said, I'm not going to be trading gold today just because the areas are not clean. It is literally just stuck in a range. I'm not going to trade that. I'll rather wait for price to get outside of the range, and once price gets outside of the range, then I'll take gold positions. But at the moment, I'm not trading gold in that level. GJ is going to be the easiest for me today and the cleanest for me today, and that is what I'm going to be targeting on this fine morning. Okay, guys, drop it down in the chat if you understand. Give me a second. I just want to get a hoodie, and then I will be back. So give me like literally a second, bro. Right, guys, I am back. Let's see what's up. Morning, Grant. Can you check on gold, please? Yes, I did, brother. I'm not going to be trading gold today. It's just not in my interest. Let's see. See from this, yeah, that's my target right there. 193,940. That's be a definite big target for me because that's gonna be the range high. Because once we get above you guys, we're actually gonna be in the range on the left hand side on the 4. Just check this out. Check this out. So there, that range there. Do you ever see that? This range there. That is pretty much going to be how I'm going to be targeting. So we're going to be trading above the range because we're going to be coming up like this. Above, retest, drive to the high. Okay? So I'm going to essentially be trading the range low to the range high. And that's what I'll be looking for this morning. Yeah, I like that a lot. Gotta wait for the next 10 minutes, guys. Hey Milo, do you lock joins on charts that don't spear when you zoom in and out and show time? I actually don't. I leave it open. I could. I don't know what difference. Would it make a difference? No, it wouldn't really make a difference. I don't think it would really make a difference. Yes. Good morning. Then. Oh, because it's anchor text. That's why. Remember, an anchor text is gonna follow where you are on the chart. So that's why I don't use anchor text. I rather use the freestanding text because it'll stay wherever you put it on the chart. But the anchor text is gonna move everywhere because it's anchored to your current peripheral. Okay, boys. So we just gotta wait for GJ. I would love a buy. Not gonna lie. Let me just get my phone so I am ready. I just had to put it on charge. Only active bias. Yeah, that's definitely cool as well. Let's see. What's on the news front? I don't think anything. Yeah, nothing really big news-wise. I think most of the big news is gonna come next week, guys. First of the month, NFP, all that jazz. So next week should be popping regarding the news. Got about 8 minutes to London Open. Let's see what's in store. Approaching that resistance now. Let's see if she can get above. We're engulfing as well. For this, guys, I have to get a close, man. The reason why I'm adamant about the close today on this is because on the 4 hour, we don't want to see something like this, where it's simply just an overextension for price to then flip back bearish. On the 30-minute, it'll look something like this. Let's say, for example, this candle now closes like that, nah? And then the next candle opens up and then pops up first, which is an overextension, and then comes back down for something like that. So that is why on this, we're going to have to see closures. And I have to see closures. Sorry, this will have the top wick like this. Let me show you. Where that top wick hangs like this. See what I'm saying? And this turns bearish. So I need closures. Four minutes to close. Can't you get above? Hopefully we don't have a scenario like yesterday on GG where it closes but it doesn't give us that bottom wicks. We need all of those components. Okay, that 3 minutes. Need a closure though. What's up, Doyle? Hope you're doing good. 100% Vince. Yo, look, if it does that, then we know what we're going to be doing. I mean, so it's chilled either way. But I just won't be able to take that reversal at the top here. I can only take it from this point. Because I need to break that major support, which is formed on the 30-minute time frame. 30 and 15 actually. But we still have time. It's only 9 o'clock. Well, it's only going to be 9 o'clock now, so we have time. But in the meantime, guys, let's hit that subscribe button. Let's hit that like button. Yeah, man, let's get those likes up. How much views do we have here? 40. Let's get that likes up to 40. Why not? 40 viewers for 40 likes. You can do that. Where we at? 16. Let's run it up, boys. Run up those likes. Okay, it doesn't seem like we're gonna get that closure above. Okay, we didn't get a closure above, guys. We're gonna have to wait another 15 or 30 minutes. There is a bottom wick on this 15, however, I can't take a breakout because it is in consolidation. I'm gonna have to at least wait another 15 minutes. So in that time, I'm just gonna make a phone call and then I'll be back. Okay, seems like we got a bit of momentum there, but we need that closure, so we're gonna have to wait like another 10 minutes. Gold also just doing nothing. So if I can get a 15 close outside of here, guys, I think that the nearby level of support will actually be enough to say, okay, it can hold from that level. So when I do take the position, I would like it to be something like this, where this candle closes outside, right? The next one taps in and drives, and the wick that this one leaves behind is pretty much going to be where I'm going to be having my stop. So the stop will be like somewhere around there for 16 odd pips. Let's say the previous body, so let's drop it beneath the body for like 20 pips. Okay, and then you'll target that target of the 4-hour resistance, which will be 44 pips away. Okay, I'm not just going to take a breakout right now, even though it is obviously breaking highs right now. I need the confirmation. If I don't get the confirmation, guys, I personally can't take the position. That will then be breaking my rules, and that is fortunately one thing I don't do, is break rules. This is perfect. We just need closure above the level. It's perfect if you can close like this. Absolutely perfect. Yes, sir. Stick to the winning plan, man. And it's definitely gonna be a type 4. Definitely gonna be a type 4. Hey, man, how are you? Hey, Vikas. I am doing good, my man. Hope you're doing good too. MFX members in the Zoom, are we good? Hopefully it doesn't press too much in this next 5 minutes. Morning, Miles, and morning, MFX team. How are you doing? I'm good, my brother. How are you doing? Mr. Sam the man. Perfect, Gino. Thanks for the response. Good. That's awesome, brother. That's good. So you've obviously broken this resistance. Now, can we close above? That's the important question. Next candle needs to tap in, grab liquidity, and then we'll look for the drive. Okay. Morning, James. Morning, Calvin. Hope you're doing good, brother. Doing like it today, that's good, brother. Okay, 4 minutes to the closure. Can we get it? If stop loss gets too big, would it be better to just put it below the level and not the candle? No. We're gonna need to have it beneath the body of this candle, preferably. We can't compromise stop loss size because of how we've set up. If it's too big, then I won't take the trade. But even so, how it is right now, I mean, we've got ample space. So far, we're only looking like a 28 pip stop. The biggest thing for the next candle to do is it needs to drop down and grab liquidity. All your setups or predictions on GJ is spot on. Thanks, brother. So you just market structure. That's just market structure and supply and demand. What I'm gonna want to do and see is if this candle's pushing so much right now, I kind of want it to close like that, right? So that we have this top wick like that, nah? Then the next candle to start dropping in first, and then I'm gonna take it on the flip and wick fill the previous and then drive. So it's gotta wait. And if the 15 doesn't give me what I want, then obviously the 30. But also this next candle, say for example it closes like that, right? This next candle can't be a shallow bottom wick. It needs to be a full-on retrace. Because it's on the 15 and we don't have any support. Support is literally there. 193, 134. So I'm not going to be too aggressive with this. I'm kind of hoping right now that this can start rejecting so we have a large wick so that we can trade into that. But in the meantime, guys, let's hit that like button. 45 viewers get to 45 likes. Would you prefer 5-minute support to form first, or doesn't it matter? At this point, it doesn't really matter, to be honest. It would be nice, but it doesn't really matter because I see that price is driving. What I need now is the next candle to give me a bottom wick, though. Then I can take it on the break of the highs or the flip. In this case, if it closes like this, let's see. 10 seconds. Let me see. Because if it closes strong, I need a full-on retracement. Let me see. 4 seconds. No. Not enough, boys. That's just not enough for me. So with this candle 15 closing like this, that's not enough for me to enter. Not to say it's not going to go up. It can go up for sure. But with the candle closing strong, Maribozu outside of liquidity with a shallow retracement, that's not a continuation candlestick idea that I trade off of. Okay, I'm going to need this candle to pull back, and then I can look for longs, which means that at this point in time, I'm kind of more so waiting for the 30 close. And if it is that this does just drive, it is what it is, then it won't be a trading day for me today. But I have to always meet my requirements. Same thing happened with GJ yesterday. The move happened, but it didn't meet my requirements, so I didn't take it. And you guys heard yesterday, as well as many times before, why I'm so adamant about my discipline. You have to have it in lock all the time. Yeah, so at this time, I have to wait for 30. If we can wait for that 30, that's when we're more than likely going to be getting a setup. Because if it's just gonna run now, it's just gonna run. I can't take it off for the 15. There's not enough confluences. Gotta wait for the 30 close right now and see what happens then. Yeah, I think we should wait for the retest 100%, man. Mr. Willis, what's up, bro? Hope you're doing good. Big Man Miles, what's up, bro? What's up, Mr. Ed? Quick tip for trading view: if you have anything selected, pen or whatever, you right click and it changes back to normal moving crossing. Really? What? I didn't know that. What? I didn't know that, bro. Okay, you learn something new every day. So I can be scribbling and then boom. 7 years of using TradingView and I only learned that now. Nice. Shot for that, Charles. 7 years of using TradingView and I only learned that now, bro. So you can teach a old dog new tricks. I see. Teacher gets teached. Yep. Yep. Definitely one of those situations. Kinda really want GJ to start rejecting and give me a shallow closure with a large top wick, because then I can do a candlestick flip. But if she just runs, boys, here's what it is. Coach, do you want to enter this on the next 15? Yes, sir. The next 10 minutes, actually. I would like to take some GJ longs. That's what I would like to do, bro. Was I on mute this whole time? Nice. Nice. Thanks, Charles. Charles is open. I can see he got proper sleep. How many hours did you sleep last night? What? No wonder. No wonder. Just 11 hours. Knocked out. Hectic. Nah, you slept proper. For me, if I'm overtired, I'm overstimulated, so I actually can't fall asleep. Yeah, I know. Gold, Popo. We're not trading that. GJ, too close to my target at the moment. So it's looking like a no trade day for me, boys. It's looking like a no trade day. But let's see how she closes in the next 7 minutes. I just won't take it if it closes like this. It's too strong bullish. Because the green level was my target, because that's that 4-hour range high. And that's what I want. That was my target. Da, 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 da. Five closure now.